हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक अगेन। डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन की लेक्चर सीरीज़ में हम लोगों ने बर्नौली डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन तक पढ़ लिया है और उससे रिलेटेड कुछ एग्जांपल्स भी देख चुके हैं। ठीक है, तो इसी लेक्चर सीरीज़ के अंदर अपना नेक्स्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। सो एग्जैक्ट ठीक है, इसको बोलते हैं यथार्थ अवकल समीकरण। ठीक है, यथार्थ अवकल समीकरण। तो सबसे पहला है इसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। ठीक है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इसका क्या है? एम डी एक्स प्लस एन डी वाई इक्वल टू जीरो, है ना। ये इसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है। और ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जो आपको इस टाइप की दे रखी होगी वो एग्जैक्ट कब होगी, उसकी भी अपने पास एक कंडीशन होगी। ठीक है, सो एनी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0 if partial m over partial y equals to partial n over partial x. What partial m over partial y represents partial derivative of m with respect to y, and what partial n over partial x represents partial derivative of n with respect to x. What WRT represents with respect to 2. ठीक है, तो नोट कर लीजिए इसको। Okay, so in another form we can say that, or the necessary and sufficient condition for a differential equation of the type m dx plus n dy equal to 0 to be exact is partial m over partial y equal to partial n over partial x. So I think you got that point, that how to identify any given differential equation to be exact or non-exact. If the given differential equation is non-exact, then we will go through some various methods by which we can reduce any exact differential equation into any non-exact differential equation into an exact differential equation. So note it down. Okay, and now we will study then that how to find general solution of exact differential equation, or the method by which we can find general solution of any given exact differential equation. Method to find general solution of exact DE. So first of all you find what m is and what y is, and after that we will get a new function u of x comma y equals to m dx. U of x comma y equals to integration of m dx. ठीक है. What it represents? Integrate m with respect to x. Integrate m with respect to x, taking y as constants. So you should not consider y as a variable if you are finding u of x comma y. So what we need to do, integrate m with respect to x, taking y as a constant. Okay. So and after it, in second case we will find the partial derivative of u with respect to y. Partial derivative of u with respect to y, that means partial derivative with respect to y of integration m dx, because if we are integrating m with respect to x and taking y as a constant, then we get a new function u which is in the form of x and y. So if it is in the form of y, so we can easily differentiate it partially with respect to y, because if we do not have any y in the function of u, so what the partial u or partial y provide? Zero value. Okay, I think you got that point, first and second. And in the next, or we can say in the third step, what we need to do? What we will get, v of y equals to n minus partial u over partial y, and integration with respect to y. Okay. So in fourth step, required general solution u of x comma y plus v of y equals to c. This will be our required general solution. Okay. Now note it down. Okay, so question is x plus y squared dx. dy equal to 0. X plus y whole square dx minus y square minus 2xy into dy equal to 0. So the given differential equation can be solved easily by the method of homogeneous differential equation type. You can easily put y equals to vx and this can be solved easily, because x plus 5 whole square means x square plus 2xy plus y square, that means its degree is 2. So but we are studying the exact differential equation, so first we check the given differential equation is exact or non-exact. So solution, m equals to x plus y whole square and n equals to minus y square minus 2xy minus x square. So partial m over partial y, 2 into x plus y, 2 into x plus y, and partial m over partial x equals to minus 0 minus 2 y and minus 2x. So this will be 2x plus 2y. So partial m over partial y, sorry, it is n, equal to partial n over partial x. We know that this is the necessary and sufficient condition for for any given differential equation to be exact. So we can say that the given differential equation is exact. Okay, so now we solve it. तो इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए अपने क्या क्या तरीके देखे थे उसमें, कि सबसे पहले अपन क्या करेंगे, u ऑफ एक्स वाई फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो व्हाट वी विल फाइंड u ऑफ एक्स वाई, एंड व्हाट u ऑफ एक्स वाई इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ m with respect to x taking y as constant. So first u of x comma y equals to integration of m dx. M is x plus y whole square, so x square plus 2xy plus y square dx. So this will be x cube by 3 plus 2 into x square by 2 into y plus y square x. So x cube by 3 plus x square y plus xy square. This is your u. Okay. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, पार्शियल u ओवर पार्शियल y. पार्शियल u ओवर पार्शियल y कितना मिल जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy. सो इन द थर्ड स्टेप वी गेट v ऑफ y विच वाज इन n माइनस पार्शियल u ओवर पार्शियल y और इंटीग्रेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y. सो n माइनस, so n is x square plus 2xy minus y square minus x square minus 2xy and dy. So x square कैंसिल, 2xy से 2xy ये आ जाएगा माइनस वाई क्यूब अपॉन 3, माइनस वाई क्यूब अपॉन 3. ओके, I think I have done some mistake in it. So x cube by 3, x square plus 2xy xy plus partial u or partial y, x cube by 3 Okay, so in the fourth step I am writing it here. So fourth step में क्या मिल जाएगा अपने को, u of x comma y मतलब x cube by 3 plus x square y plus xy square minus y cube by 3 equals to constant. This will be required. General solution. Okay, note it.